doesn't look so bad. It all makes sense. This shouldn't be so bad. Pretty sure humans have made contact with aliens by now. Alright! Yes! First time coding. Let's see what I can make. Yes! 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 This is so easy! Yes! Let's see what I can make. Yes! Oh god. This is harder than I thought. This looks easy enough. Oh, I must be retarded. There's no way if I just... Oh, that's actually pretty easy. Look, see y equals 66 for int degree equals 0. Degree is less than 360. It makes sense. I know how to program now. Okay, now that I've tried to do my first program, I'm gonna actually read out. Time to see what this whole creative coding thing is all about.
In the case of music performance, every performance is different.
That looks so freaking cool. I can do stuff like that. Just gotta add the final touches. Let's see how my beautiful work looks. At least this little guy is chasing the big guy, kind of, if I use my imagination. Don't look at me now, Casey! Alright, almost there. Just gonna add that last line of code. It all makes sense. Perfection. Alright, almost there. Just gotta add that last line of code. No! Unexpected void. Unexpected void. Unexpected void? What does that even mean? This game's gonna be so fun. Whoa, I recreated Flappy Bird. This game's gonna be so fun. So fun. Alright, after a year of coding, I can finally press play and see. Whoa, that's cool. Yes, I'm a genius. Yeah. Alright, after a year of coding, I can finally press play and see how this looks. Yes, I'm a genius. Yeah. Just about to test out this new drawing tool. See how this goes. Hey, made my own Photoshop brush. Awesome. That wasn't so bad. That was actually not too bad. Expecting end of function. What? Missing left curly bracket? Hey, thanks for watching. If you liked that video and you really want to dive into some of the code, check out the video to the left on how to turn 2D images into 3D in processing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on the creative coding struggle.